AlgeBros, this is Professor AlgeBro coming at you. I'm going to step away. We're looking at a right triangle. It's like deja vu. Okay, so we're going to talk about trig ratios today. I'm going to talk about 3 of them. There are 6, but we're only talking about 3. I'm going to talk about sine, cosine, and tangent. Now, we're going to use these trig ratios later on to find the sides of triangles and also the angles of the missing angles of these triangles. So the first thing we got to do, we got to get an understanding of what we're looking at. So I'm going to start by labeling a Greek letter for one of these. So we're going to do the Greek letter theta. So I am going to be looking at this particular angle. So here we go. I want to look, now I'm going to do a little work over here. So if you have a calculator, you can look at this. You're going to see this. This is sine, and all my kids in class say sin. It's called sine. So we're going to do sine theta. Now, to find sine theta is classified for this angle as the opposite side, okay, over the hypotenuse. And if you don't remember, this is going to be opposite for this. This is called adjacent, and this is called the hypotenuse, okay? So this one is opposite over hypotenuse. Now, if you do the math, watch closely. If you come over here, this is going to be 3 over 5. All right? So that's our first trig ratio. Now, the next one we're going to do is cosine theta. Now, cosine theta is going to be adjacent over the hypotenuse. What I mean by that is your adjacent side is the one it's the side that makes the angle with the hypotenuse. It always is that way. So the adjacent side is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Now, tangent theta. Now, tangent is the opposite side over the adjacent. Now, do me a favor, pause the video, and I want to see if you can figure out what the ratio is, okay? Okay, now that we're back, so what would that be? Opposite would be 3 over 4. Now, that's a lot of work for one little triangle, but when we do our next video, I'm going to show you the way that we look at it again. No matter where you go, math is there. Later, guys.
AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Later.
I'm fixing to show you what we call trig ratios. There are 3 of them. The first one is called sine. Second one is called cosine. And the third one, do me a favor. Cut it. You can't cough.
Sorry.
My son, cough. That's not going to work. Can you imagine? This is how I go.
Hey, what's going on over there?
All right. I feel like the guys have y'all seen the 2 old dudes in the balcony on the Muppets?
Hey, what's going on over there?
Gosh. All right. Let's
Redo.
take 2. Oh my gosh. You're going to edit this one.
I am.
You're going to edit this one. He pulled one on me one time. We stopped the video, and he kept rolling, and he left it in there, and I'm going to... So, are you still recording? Yes, he...
All right,
All right, let's start. Okay.
3, 2,